Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick flip through of the latest release from Camilla de errico. Now this is a compilation book, so it's the best of pop manga. So it combines a bunch of her books. If you already own all of her books, then you will have these images. Still on the same paper that her other books are printed. Oh, isn't that just adorable? I thought we could flip through and take a look and see what has been selected as the best. This one is pretty. Her style is definitely unique. You can't deny that one. I like that one too. But yeah, there's just no one out there with her style. It's like loose in some types, not in others. I really like that one. I'm trying to remember what some of these books are, or which ones I've seen these in. Oh, that's cute. But yeah, these are just from her books that she's already published, and they're kind of like favorites. Fan favorites, I guess. I really want to color that one. That's cute. Oh, I've seen this one done a few times. This one I've seen done a few times too. Let's look at that one. It's kind of like Beauty and the Beast. There's the rose, the beast, and then all the books. Pretty sure that's what she was going for. Oh, those are pretty. It's funny, sometimes you don't realize an image is something you really want to color till you see it in like a compilation book. I've had that happen with like Kirby images too, where I'm like, oh, I'm not feeling this book, and then I like find a page, ooh, I like that one, in a compilation book, and then I'm like, never mind, I really want to color that. But that would be pretty. It's gorgeous. Let's see, like I think one of her books is she's got like the mermaid one, the cute and creepy. I've seen a few from there in here. Just an interesting style all around. I like that one too. Double page spread. And that is it. Alright, well, let me know if you ended up purchasing this compilation book. Again, you're not getting anything new here, but sometimes it's fun to have like the best of in certain books and then kind of work on those fan favorites. Always curious who buys these and who doesn't, but until next time, take care. Bye now.